Beautiful, beautiful entry I just took. First up entry, second stage long uptrend. Just textbook setup. Um, Play it back when I see something else. All right, guys, it's about that time. 3:13 in the market. It's getting late in the market. Um, I'm calling it for today. Today's Friday, so I'm just gonna call it. Let's go take a look at today's price action. Okay, so we started the morning with a low range here, broke out, and then pre-market right here. Market opened like right here somewhere. There was no trade to get into this. I didn't see anything that you can get into to ride this down. So yeah, there's really nothing there. The market open. We had like a first leg for the second signature short failure. A higher low would have been nice here because we had a downtrend break new low, and we changed his range at first. And then we had like a first leg for the second leg, second long failure. This is actually a good bar now that I look back at it. Just finished too high above the EMA. You see, I finished a little too above the EMA. And then you get a lower high here, bullish bar. So I didn't like it. Sorry about that. And then we have a push above the EMA, push below the EMA, just no entry. And then we established this downtrend here, this one. And then we had like a push below, no entry, And then we had like from this low, first leg, first entry, second leg, second just short. But second is inside bar, and I didn't really like it that much. And then we have a pull back to the EMA. You had a double bar entry here. Great visual second just short right here. Nice bar right here. Worked, but it's also near the news, so a little more. I say a little more aggressive, just because the news is right here. But overall, great trade. News happened, a spike in volatility, and then we had like an overshoot, but didn't really react like an overshoot. And then we pushed below the EMA. Now this is a clear overshoot for now. We have a push above the EMA. No second, like this. There's no entry. Um, there's a channel here, but then I drew this wider channel because we had overshoot. Usually when you have overshoot, you're allowed to draw a little wider channel. Excuse me, I just sneezed. And then we had a second long at the EMA, and off this range support, we have a first leg, first entry, second leg, second long. Work only for the scalp though. I took this one myself. This 3 bars broke out, came back new low. Then we chopped around here, broke out the range. There was no entry to get to new extreme for this uptrend, and then we got a new high. You can maybe consider this bar. Now we're far from the maybe have slash new high. You can consider this bar. We have like a first leg, first entry, second leg, second long failure. But this bar is pretty big here. And then we chopped down. We have like a first entry, second just short here, but my bar finished so doji. It just finished doji. Finished doji there. Another second just short. We have failure here, but no bar to get into. We have first entry, second short failure. but you're not really looking for a feller. And then if this bar was a little better, it would have been a nice trade because this downtrend is an extreme. We pushed below the EMA. Now this channel had a needed because it's pretty noticeable leg. So usually sometimes it also creates a new leg for them as well. You can see what happened here. Then we trade into this range. I didn't see anything in this range. I didn't see nothing that I liked here. Nothing here. Choppy. Choppy. Broke out of it. Created a new low, and then we. Well, I had a downtrend like this, but it just didn't seem right at first. Like something like this. It just didn't seem right because there was empty space and there's barely any confirmation of the channel. So I just decided to play channels like these, little smaller channels, and then we like pushed into this. We had an uptrend, break new high, and I drew this wider channel because I saw the new extreme. But then by that time I'm like, okay, it's not like going down, so it's probably a wider channel in play, which there was. Try this wider channel here. But it's like I didn't take anything in this channel. It's just so like choppy. Just it's like a choppy uptrend. You see, it's very choppy. I don't feel comfortable with any of this. But yeah, that was the expression. Sorry for the very brief, very brief explanation. I'm getting better at explaining, but that takes time. But anyways, it's 3:20 now. It's too late now to take any trades. So, like I said, we're gonna call it with why one and only trade. And yeah, that was today's day. Have a great weekend, and I'm out.